cloudy day, I thought this was a fantastic day to make a video on this. This is the 2017 F-150 XLT. This has a 6-inch lift on it. Some aggressive general grabber tires. And this does have the 3.5 liter EcoBoost engine that is so much fun to drive. And that turbo whistle is addicting. We recently received this on trade. And I'm going to show you why I really like this truck. That if you're looking for a used vehicle to get the job done, this is it. What I really like about this vehicle is the key actually has a remote start in it, and it's one of the quickest remote starts on the market. So if I lock the car and then I double click, the vehicle already turns on, which is incredible. Come to the back here. Super aggressive truck. You do have a 7-pin and 4-pin adapter to tow. Class 4 hitch on there. And I love this gunmetal color, it is amazing. If I unlock the truck, get in, you'll notice that the interior is just incredibly spacious. I'm 6'2" and I have so much headroom in this vehicle, it's not even funny. And all I gotta do, pop the key in the ignition, turn it on, and there you go. I really like that screen, built tough, awesome. I really love the gauges on this vehicle. The blue hue is really pleasing on the eyes, and blue is also my favorite color, so I'm a little biased. Leather wrap steering wheel, huge touchscreen with navigation as well. You got some phone and audio, and this has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so it's got some of the latest tech features, which is fantastic. As you can see, the knobs on this vehicle are massive, so they're very easy to grab. Heated seats for you and your front passenger. These seats are really comfortable. This cloth is really high material, and there's tons of lumbar support in this vehicle. Saying before, this has the 3.5 liter EcoBoost engine. Fantastic engine. The turbo whistle is just so addicting. Pop her into drive. This actually has the 10-speed automatic transmission as well, and that's why this vehicle gets really good fuel economy, and you get the power when you want it. And let me tell you, this truck has a lot of pickup. Pun. There are some mud mats in there, slush mats. Lots of adjustability with the seat. Tons of lumbar support as well, and you can raise it up to get a better view. Now this is what I love about Ford's vehicle. If I unlocked it, I could show you, is they have a completely flat load floor. So getting objects into the vehicle or people in the vehicle is really easy. The seats also lift up too, and you get a little bit of storage there. So you can have a completely flat load floor. So taking any payload, if you don't want to put it into the truck bed, super easy. As I was saying, with the flat load floor, makes getting objects very easy. I can essentially kind of just sort of move around like Gollum back here. I can grab any tools because there's an inverter. I can charge my tools, or I can charge my laptop back here, fold the seats down and use it as a workbench. So very, very spacious interior, and I think all your passengers will be incredibly happy. This is a really neat feature, and it's awesome when you have a big truck like this, is this backup camera. But the lines actually move with you, which is great. Now if I start backing up, and I start backing up into close to an object, there's actually sensors on the back, and it tells me whereabouts the vehicle will be and then how close I am, which is great. So if you're looking for a badass truck that's super fast, fun to drive, and can get the job done, give me a call today at 587-600-1873 and come check out this Ford EcoBoost. So much fun to drive, guys. You honestly have to come drive it. And come see me at Cochrane Nissan for a test drive. All right? Have a good day, guys. Bye.